If you thought the 3D Bitmojis were so cool, then stick around. Mary's going to show you how to create different 3D Bitmojis using Snapchat. I do want to let you know that it may take you a couple of tries to create one that you can be happy with. But if you have any questions, please let us know. And off to Mary.
Alrighty, using the Snapchat app, hit the top left search little button, type Bitmoji, and you'll see some different filters pop up, and you'll pick one that you want to use. Dancing, fainting, mic drop. And then from there, this is a little finicky. You have to play around with your little new 3D Bitmoji. If you want a transparent background, you can use a sheet of white paper or a white plate or a white wall. And when you're ready to record, you hit that circle button for just about 3 or 4 seconds max. And then you'll hit save at the bottom. And then you'll open up a web browser, type unscreen.com. unscreen.com. Upload clip, you'll find it from your library. And then from there, hit choose, and this will upload your Bitmoji to Unscreen, and it'll create a transparent background for you, which is super cool. Then from there, once it's all on Unscreen, you will scroll down, hit the triangle by download. Download as GIF. Once that is complete, it'll prompt you to download it, and you can find then your downloads on the top right side. And you can either email this to yourself, or if you have a Mac, you can send it through AirDrop. All right, so as soon as you get your new creation in Gmail, just download it onto your computer. And I would create a Google document where you can keep all of your awesome creations. So you'll just simply drag it into the Google Doc. And then when you're ready, you can just click on your GIF you want to use, copy it. You can paste it right into any Google slide or your message board. And you can also embed it right into a webmail. Have fun!